Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful set. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel and hope you guys enjoy my content. So as you guys can see, I already started off with a fresh set of nails that I've already prepped and applied my tips. I have a video of how I prep my nails, so if you guys would like for me to upload another video for acrylic nails, just comment down below and I'll definitely do that for you guys. But I'm cutting my nails, my tips into the coffin shape, and then my two pinkies are going to be the stiletto shape. So I found a new hobby, mixing acrylic. So I'm actually making a custom white acrylic. Now this is gonna have like a milky type of color. So I'm applying about 4 parts white acrylic and about 10 to 12 parts clear acrylic. And then after that, I'm just going to shake it up and apply my acrylic. Now, as you guys should know, when I'm applying my colored acrylic on my nails, I really like to apply a thin layer of clear acrylic so it doesn't stain my nails. But after I apply my clear acrylic on all of my nails, I'm going to go ahead and apply my my milky color acrylic. Now on the pinky nail, I decided to do like an accent nail, and so I wanted to try the color blocking technique. I just went ahead and kind of made that V shape, and instead of cutting mine, I wanted mine to have like that faded effect because I am going to apply a pink sheer acrylic down. So I kind of made it into the shape, and towards the bottom of the shape I kind of decided to leave the fade of the white, if you kind of get the drift. So after I have finished applying my clear acrylic on my nails, I will just went ahead and fired my V-shaped nail. I'm kind of not doing it too rough because I want the bottom of the nail to kind of have a fade effect. So yeah, I'm going to continue applying the white on the rest of my nails, And after that, I'm going to show you guys the way I applied my pink sheer acrylic onto my pinky nail. So after I have finished applying my white acrylic, I just encapsulated it with the clear acrylic. I'm sorry, with the clear acrylic. And after I encapsulated that, I just went ahead and filed it off and smoothed it out. I didn't get to record that part, so towards the end, I'm just going to have a picture. But after I just applied the pink sheer onto the nail, I just did the same process by encapsulating it with the clear acrylic, and then I just applied my gel top coat after I applied the clear acrylic.